I am concerned that nobody's discussing this, so I will bring it up, and I wish some of the other residents stayed here. As you know, I have a lawsuit against the city, and I know you can't talk about it, and I will be very respectful about that. However, Matt Benda sent me a letter saying that I was in jeopardy of being trespassed from City Hall because I have been harassing, because I've been intimidating, because I scared somebody, and a few other allegations in there. Now, the incident that he's talking about was on a Sunday when I visited Lisa because she was at the office, and I knocked on the door, and the door was opened, and I was invited in, and I had about a 29-minute phone conversation in person with Lisa. I don't personally believe that I have ever been disrespectful in here. I know I did not intimidate or threaten or scare anybody, and I have gone out of my way in the court paperwork to not put everybody's home address and work address in court paperwork out of respect for Lisa's other employment. But now Matt Benda has filed stuff with the court papers that I didn't do everything correctly by not naming all those. So just so you know, now your home address and your workplace is listed in the court paperwork, which is public record. I didn't have a choice. Secondly, every time he sends a letter to me or files something to the court, he's billing you guys. I haven't heard that brought up once, and a few months back, there was this big brouhaha in here about paying attorney bills for $8,000 for this, or it was 13, and then it got discounted. I will tell you right now that someone's running up your bill deliberately and sending me a text on a Saturday of, well, I text him back because he doesn't have my number. First off, you just texted me, so you do have my number. Secondly, and this happened this weekend, my number is on every single court paperwork, it's on the public data request, and it's on every email to Matt Benda and to and from the state to Matt Benda. So I guess my $1 million question is, how long is this gonna go on before anyone at city council says, why can't we just fulfill somebody's public data request and move on? Because to me, this is ridiculous over a request for information on 3 certificates of deposit that were brought up at a city council meeting. You probably won't answer me. I'm okay with that. I'm just saying to the citizens of this community, this is ridiculous to drag this on and run up thousands of dollars in lawyer fees instead of just answering a public data request. The reason it's called a public data request, it's public data. I'm done. Said my piece.
Thank you. Motion to adjourn?